In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Windows Biometric Services here in Windows 11. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, once you are loaded into your Windows device, go ahead and click on this little search bar in the bottom of your screen. And what you're going to want to do is just type in services just like so and open up the services app. From here, simply go ahead and scroll down. And what you're looking for is the Windows Biometric Services. It is alphabetical. So go ahead and scroll down pretty much towards the very bottom and you're going to see it within here just like so. Once you do see it, go ahead and select it and then double click it just like so to open up a little mini page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is find this little startup type right here and go ahead and change it from manual to automatic just like so, and then go ahead and hit start right here. After that, go ahead and hit apply and then OK, and that is it. Windows Biometric Services are now going to be enabled. One more time, just change this startup type to automatic from manual, hit start, apply, OK. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. So we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.